Changing the phone number associated with your Amazon Prime account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your information quickly. Step 1. Sign in. Go to the Amazon website or open the Amazon app. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to your account. Once logged in, locate the Accounts and Lists option at the top right corner of the page. Click on it, then select your account from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Access your account settings. In the Your Account section, look for the Login and Security option. Click on it to view your account details. Step 4. Edit phone number. In the Login and Security section, find the phone number field. Click on the Edit button next to it to make changes. Step 5. Save changes. Enter your new phone number and follow any prompts to verify it. Once confirmed, click the Save Changes button to update your account. Now your phone number is updated on your Amazon Prime account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Amazon customer support for assistance.